anything.
Okay.
What's up, Rosettes? I have my bestie Jasmine here with me. She cooked all of this goodness.
I'm a master chef.
For real. We have shrimp, lobster tails, sausage, corn, and potatoes.
Jessica, this shit is gonna be so good. This is gonna be so good. I'm ready.
I'm ready.
Okay. It's kind of hot.
I know, but I want to try one of these shrimp.
Okay.
Okay.
This one is ugly.
Oh my God, it's hot.
Yay.
Right. Y'all excuse my nails. They broke.
I don't have any.
Wait, it won't come off. Oh my God. I know you're getting impatient.
No, it's okay.
Girl.
It's gonna be worth the wait.
Girl. Baby.
Yes.
Baby. Y'all, we got a lot of shrimp.
A lot of shrimp.
Like, that's the main course, is the shrimp.
Pretty much.
And I'm not mad at all.
Love shrimp. Can't go wrong.
Not at all. It's so good. It's so good.
It's so hot.
It is.
I need to get up in this sauce.
I know, yeah, for sure. Dip it up in that sauce. Dip it up in that sauce. She made the sauce. She made all of it.
This is hot.
I was just on the side annoying her and drinking.
No, she was helping.
A little tipsy, y'all.
A little bit.
Yes. Oh, baby, y'all, baby, y'all, baby.
Don't leave me, girl. It's good. Oh my God, I'm so glad. Anybody out there that's a chef knows that the best part of cooking is when somebody else enjoys your food.
This girl. That spice kicking in. I'm so good. Oh, but I'm gonna see what's the hype about dipping it with the shell on there.
Suck it.
Still don't really get the hype.
What? I understand.
I guess you get more of a flavor.
Yes.
Yeah, I feel that now. Y'all, Tucci is just walking around us, trying to see if something gonna fall.
Yes.
With his hunger bud. And yeah, we double dipping, we friends, y'all. I've been knowing this girl since not even high school, since middle school. Hello.
Hello. Welcome back to another video.
If you don't like smacking, moaning, burping, girl, you gotta go.
Sure.
A real
She
talk.
ain't wrong.
She really not. I seen the video you was talking about too, where her and Be Lovely.
Yeah.
They were so cute.
Yeah. Be Lovely is starting to do more collabs with people.
I know, and I like that. I like that.
Yeah.
A lot of people were talking about, oh, she's just using people. How's she using people? But she got buku followers.
She got 1 million subscribers.
People just always trying to find something negative to say.
Always. Always. When somebody got to come up,
tear it down.
That's all they do.
Gotta go.
There's this family channel that I watch. It's called Living with the Webbs.
Okay.
she used to get food stamps or whatever.
Okay.
And it takes you a little bit to earn revenue off of YouTube.
Correct.
And people were like, when her subscribers started growing, people were like, "Why are you still on food stamps? That's fraud." And people was calling the state on her.
What? It's not that serious.
I'm like, why are you upping her stuff like that?
Oh my God. That's gonna be hot. I'm gonna let this sit out. That's gonna be hot. But yeah, it's not even that serious.
Like, why are you in her business like that? And her man has a good job or whatever. But she stays at home with the kids.
Okay.
And they're like, why aren't your kids on your husband's on your boyfriend's insurance? Because they're not married.
So, okay.
I'm like, dang, get out her business like that.
And see, that's the only bad thing about putting yourself out there on the internet. People love to talk mess about you.
That's all they do.
You can have a whole non-profit charity and they still gonna find a reason to talk about you.
I think it's crazy that when her followers started going, other little followers go and make videos about it. And their channel grows.
Because they got all the tea.
Yes. And the girl, she had put a copyright on the video.
Okay. That's smart.
Yeah, but people were making videos about how that's wrongful, you know, for her to do that. And the girl made a video talking about, oh, Olivia is taking my revenue. It was just crazy. It was a bit much.
What?
But I love her because she keeps it real. And people are like, oh, you making all this money now. She did get a Mercedes Benz, but you don't know if it's a new Benz. You don't know what year it is. She could have got it off a used car lot.
Right.
And even if she did, that's none of your business. You're there to watch her, not critique her. You ain't her mama. You don't pay none of her bills.
But here's the thing. You don't agree with what she do, but yet you steady watching her, and yet at that point, you're steady making her money. Right? What are you doing?
Like, if you don't like it,
stop watching it.
That's what I don't understand. You sit there and watch a whole video just to dislike it. That doesn't even make sense.
That's why I kind of understand why some subscribers, not subscribers, but some YouTubers, they disable the comments because don't nobody want to go through all that foolishness. Like, everybody's just trying to live their life the best way that they know. In the best way possible and get money and be happy. That's it.
Absolutely.
That's what they put on YouTube. It's the outlet for everybody.
So, let me ask you a question. Do you think that when people start YouTube, do you like, oh, are they just doing it for the money? Or do you think they're doing it because they really care about it?
I think nowadays it is for the money. But I can't really say that because, like, the reason why I started a YouTube channel because I wanted, like, a little hobby to do. Don't get me wrong. I've seen how it's giving people money, but
that's not your main.
Right. Because if it was my main money scheme, I would be uploading videos, like, every day.
Yeah.
You know, I do this when I have time to do it. Like, I work a full job.
Yeah.
I don't have time to be doing this all the time.
Can you hand me a napkin? Yeah. Tucci's right under my feet.
Girl, waiting for something to fall. I don't know if it's lobster tail, though.
Okay. You gotta dip it in the sauce.
Oh, girl, I am. Oh, it's still hot. Oh. Ooh, excuse me. I'm gonna take some of these corns out.
Oh my God, this sauce.
Ooh, excuse me. What y'all think? Do y'all think people just do it for the money? Or are they doing it because they really enjoy having fun on YouTube, posting videos?
This tail is on fire. It is.
You want to wait?
No, go ahead.
Okay. I know. And y'all, when we was cooking, we was jamming some 90s music. We love 90s music.
90s music.
That's all we really listen to.
Yes, it is.
I'm done. Oh my god. Why is it so good, Jazz? Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Baby. Jasmine. When I tell you put your foot in it, you put your foot in it.
Girl.
Baby.
Yeah, I need to set me out another one of them.
Real talk, yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Y'all, she did it real easy. It was real easy. Just
Simple.
Put that butter in that pot. Put your seasonings in there. And then
so good.
And she put all the seafood in there, stirred it all up, had the potatoes and the corn.
Gotta let it marinate, get all that flavor.
Oh man.
I need to set me out a couple of shrimp because this
Is too hot for you?
This shit is hot. Let me get a potato.
I'm gonna taste one of these potatoes. Oh, they hot.
Ooh, sausage. That cayenne.
Girls. Oh, they hot.
Ooh, sausage. That cayenne.
Girl,
don't swallow it the wrong way. It'll get you.
Right. We kept on tasting it to see if the cayenne was right because we couldn't taste it initially, but then it kicks you at the end.
Yeah.
Oh!
Girl, gotta keep that face cute. Girl, you gotta.
Baby, lashes is all I need. I ain't have time.
Girl.
Ready for a potato?
Yeah.
Oh. That shit is hot.
Be Lovely put
What she put, Jazz? Eggs? You talking about the eggs?
she put eggs in there?
I want to try that.